So hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to teach you how to a plot two data sets in one graph in Google Sheets in just a few steps. So let's get started. So first thing we need to do is to open the document or file that we wanted to create a graph. And after that, once the file or document is open, so we're good to go. So as you can see on my screen, I have here a sample. So I have here a values, a data 1, and data 2. So I wanted to create a graph from this data. So all we need to do is to highlight this data and go to the insert and chart. So the Google Sheet is now generating the chart. So all we need to do is to wait. Okay, there you go. So the Google Sheets will provide automatically a graph or chart for us. So you can see here the summarize of our data. This is data 1, data 2 from any values, value A, value B, and value C. So you can also customize your chart, guys. So you can change also what type of chart you wanted to. And here you can also use the customize here, the chart style, the access. So it's up to you guys if you wanted to customize it. So for me, it is good. So you can also drag it with whatever you wanted to put. So I wanted to my chart to be near to my data. So that's it, guys. So I hope you learn and you enjoy these tutorials. So please don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials in Google Sheets. Thank you.